Fall in your dream wedding Asian Wedding Fair 2025 Bradford, organized on 19th of January in Headley venue, where the Asian wedding brands exhibited their brands of wedding accessories, casual clothing, bridal wear, food stores, professional photographers, 360 photo booth, wedding venues, wedding caterers, florists, direct dowry, makeup brands, fashion designers participated by organizing a fashion show for the guests who attended the fashion bridal show. Live singers Aiden and Singer did a live performance and hosted and organized the show. Female and male models of all the ages participated and rocked the stage by wearing the fashion brands and exhibited with their elegant catwalk and ball dance. Jia Khan from London attended as a model, and she beautifully and elegantly did a catwalk and exhibited the designer's brands. Mazz, UK famous dancer, performed a live performance which stole guests' hearts. Exhibitors were pleased with the huge turnout of families attending the show and strongly believe it's a fantastic way to celebrate our rich culture in England.
Hi everyone, I'm here at the Asian Bridal Show and I'm advertising HEADLEY. Look at it. Wow, whether it comes to the crab or the waffles, they do a very delicious dessert. They just made me one dessert over here. Look at this. So find them on Instagram and on TikTok. I'm going to be tagging them as delicious treats for weddings, parties, and weddings.
Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Jia Khan from C89 TV. I'm here in Bradford and I am attending Asian Bridal Show 2025 in really stunning golf club, which is Headley, and I have a very talented dancer, a beautiful lady who is also award-winning dancer too. So let's just speak to her. How's her experience coming in here, supporting the fashion show, and also participating as dancer? Hi.
Hey, how are you, babe?
I'm really well, thank you. Would you please tell my audience a little bit about what you do?
Okay, as you already mentioned, I'm a Bollywood belly dancer. My name is Mazz. Bollywood belly dancer in the UK, and honored to be here, part of the team. I enjoy every single moment of it, and then I don't know if you know me or not, I dance always with my soul, and I communicate with people through my dance and my eyes.
Hello, I'm Shazia from the Grand Marquis.
I'm Nadeem from the Grand Marquis.
And we are brother sisters. So our venue, we do mainly weddings and many parties, pre-wedding parties. We're based in Cleckheaton.
Yes, if you would like a magical wedding, come to our venue.
Hi, I'm Tashita Roy. I'm a fashion model, runway model, and I'm here in Asian Bridal from London Palace. So we are here to organize. So we're going to walk soon at the moment. So yeah, that's me.
Hiya, my name is Nikki Singh and I'm a designer, and our brand name is London Palette, and the London Palette is our first shows doing as a fashion show, and thank you for the organizer to give me very good opportunity.
I'm here in Asian Bridal Show, and this is our gorgeous designer, and we're wearing her stunning outfit. Look at this. So where do you think the audience will find you?
In the Instagram, and if you go to Instagram, then you have to type London Palette and you have to find it easily.
So come on guys, look for London Palette, buy these stunning outfits and enjoy the parties, weddings. Love you all. Thank you.
Alaikum. I'm here to be excited. I'm excited to be here with the Asian Bridal Fashion Show to exhibit my collections. We're from Kashmir, occupied in Indian part of the Kashmir, and we are exhibiting this all Ari works, handworks of Kashmiri artisans, and we have bought it actually from the people who have made them. So it's like cost to cost, and it's not just for business purpose. It's just promoting the underprivileged, like the people who don't hear from them, so they are included in the rest of the world. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. We are here in Asiana bridal wedding show, and we are a signature shop Amaya to Inspire online. We would love if you follow our page and come check our website www.amayatoinspire.co.uk. We went into bridal customized shop, and we customize clothes for yourself. So try our page, come follow us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's Dil from Gulmohar here. We are at the Asian Wedding Fair and we're representing Gulmohar, jewellery by Gulmohar on Soho Road 221B. The wonderful Jia Khan is wearing our jewellery. She's going to be doing a catwalk. The entire day she's been representing us. Next to me is my brother from TDS Productions. So yeah, have a look at all our jewellery, and if you're ever in Birmingham, pop down.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lucky Singh with the Hepatitis C Trust. I'm here to raise awareness on the behalf of the Hepatitis C Trust about the Asian Wedding Fair in Bradford. So please share this video, share this message, and come and get tested. It's absolutely free. Help your community.